Welcome to the Cleanaway Somersby Depot, located on the New South Wales Central Coast. Cleanaway operates the domestic waste and recycling service contract on behalf of Central Coast Council. This is a 10-year contract which commenced on the 1st of February 2018. And we provide waste and recycling services for approximately 140,000 properties. Cleanaway also employs over 150 people to operate the Central Coast contract. Under this contract, Cleanaway are responsible for the collection of residential and commercial bins utilising council services, booking and removing bulky waste as part of the bulk kerbside service, emptying public place litter bins, providing bin maintenance and delivery of new bins, maintaining the One Coast website, and providing customer service and a dedicated education and resource recovery program. Part of our contract with Council is to provide customer service for the waste and recycling services. Our dedicated call centre takes over 5,000 phone calls each month as part of this. Our Cleanaway Somersby in-house workshop consists of 7 Cleanaway mechanics working to ensure all vehicles are safe and serviced regularly to comply with the National Heavy Vehicle Regulators and Central Coast Council requirements. We also have 3 full-time third-party contractors working alongside our mechanics in-house. The contractors service and repair the vehicle bodies, bin lifters and compactor systems. Our workshop parts store holds over $1 million worth of stock to ensure that the workshop team can repair and service our vehicles at all hours of the day and night. The majority of the workshop servicing and repairs commence at 3 p.m. every afternoon when the vehicles return to the depot after servicing the Central Coast residents. We have over 120 drivers and off-siders employed and operating 82 collection vehicles from the Somersby Depot. We empty approximately 280,000 bins and remove approximately 5,000 bulk kerbside collections from the street each week. An average day for our site includes over 56,000 bins emptied, over 650 bulk kerbside collections removed, which can double in summer, 90 new bins being delivered or repaired, over 250 phone calls being taken, over 700 service requests received online, and our trucks each travel on average 150 kilometres per shift.